where's everyone's plant?
Oh, we have to get it here. Go eat it.
Yours.
Plant?
Yep.
Oh.
So there's a tropical plant or a cactus there.
I have my cactus.
So everyone's into cactus. How did that happen? Everyone knows. Everyone wants the prickly one.
あれをね、これこれこれこれこれこれこれこれ
Emma, can you scoot over? I can't.
There, so basically, cacti need very, very good drainage and very low watering. So normally when you see cacti in the desert,
My dad has a lot of them.
yeah, and usually when you see them in the desert, they're always like basically sand and rocks in the desert. So you want really good, fast draining. You want the water to flow through. So normally you can put in a few little rocks like that at the bottom. Put a few in there as well. Perfect.
I want you to put rocks in the bottom.
Yep, put a few rocks in the bottom there, not too many. For some extra drainage.
No, when you weren't here, they said that you can't have the bottom.
Alright.
Water.
Perfect.
Yeah, you can't have the water.
That guy grabbed your sweater. No, you got a little fish hook on your sweater. They call them fish hooks because if you look at them, they look like a little fish hook. When they grab onto you, they really stick.
How did these come out? I put 8
You
rocks.
can either just kind of like gently grab the side and just kind of tilt them over like that. Squeeze the pot a little bit to loosen the root there.
I don't want to do it. It's too stinky.
And then they pop right out.
Why didn't you choose it? Yeah, why did you choose it? She did it.
Yeah.
Do we put it in?
We'll put some soil in first. So yeah, this stage.
There's a bug on the table.
Oh, perfect. You give me the fish hook one. Yeah, they really stick to your fingers. Alright, so basically there's 2 different types of soil. You got your tropical soil, well I guess 3 kinds, outdoor soil, and you got cacti soil. So of course we got all cacti.
I'm gonna need it.
Yep. So this is sandier soil as you can see, so you can just put a little bit of soil at the bottom there. Or about maybe half of the pot with some soil. Yeah, you can use the pot there.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Is this good enough at the bottom?
A little bit more, yeah.
My turn. Boy, should I put a bunch of it?
Yeah, you can put a little bit more in the bottom. Yeah.
I know, don't tip over my cactus. Should I put more? You tipped over my
Yeah, you can do a little bit more, yeah. And then basically, once you put the soil in there, you just kind of
I don't have any. Stop.
yep. And then you just kind of gently kind of pack the soil down.
But can I help putting it in?
Oh yeah, for sure, yeah. And this guy, so
Wait, you can't push. Is this enough? I'll be getting it.
yeah, should be enough, yeah.
I'm gonna do it easier. I'm gonna do it easier way.
Everyone got some soil
Is
there?
this good enough? My turn.
Yep, you're good there, yeah.
Now just put it in.
Yeah, so basically, at this stage, what you want to do is you always want to look at, you don't want to have it higher than the pot. So when you put the cacti in, you can see this one, it sits at the top of the cactus, the soil there is low, right? And yours is a little bit high. So what you can do, so this one, you can do a little more soil.
I can take it. Is this good?
Yeah, or you can even just kind of push it to the side. You can kind of make a little ravine like that. And then you put that guy in there. Look at it again, you can see it's just about level.
Is that how do I make it not like fall?
Once we put some soil in there.
More soil? Around
Yeah.
it. Let me get more soil to put it.
And then you see yours here, it's a little bit higher than this is a little higher than the top there. So what you can do is you can just kind of make a little circle in the middle there.
Is this good enough?
Just
Or too high?
no, you're good there too. Yeah. Looks like you're perfect there. Okay. Catherine's already on.
Soil around.
And when you do this, what you can do is you can put your hand just on the side like this, and you pour the soil in, so that way the soil doesn't stick to the cactus.
Like what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, yeah. For sure, yeah. And then you got here. I'll do some.
Is this good? Can I use your
Yep. And you can just kind of lift, like, grab the middle there, and you can just
Is this good?
right out, yeah. Yeah, you're good. And then you can just kind of push a little bit of soil down the side.
I don't want to get pricked.
Yeah. Yeah, these guys are a little bit prickly.
Mine is called that.
Yeah, you can always
Mine called.
use your hand a little bit like that way too, and just kind of circle around the
Where's mine
pot.
called?
There we go. You can push the soil down.